guide will take you through every step to acquire the powerful revolver, an essential weapon for any serious gamer. The journey begins with locating the hidden quest that sets the stage for your adventure. As you approach the designated area on the map, be prepared for encounters that will test your skills and wits. Defeating the boss guarding the revolver is crucial, so gather your best gear and remain vigilant. Once the boss is defeated, the moment arrives to claim your prize, the revolver. Its unique design and powerful attributes make it a coveted asset in your arsenal.